Here's a very useful feature on your Galaxy Watch 7, and it's known as Show Phone Notifications on the watch when you are not using the phone. While viewing the clock face here, simply swipe from the very top and go into the settings by tapping on this icon right there. So you do this here, you'll tap on that, and that'll take you to the main settings of your Galaxy Watch 7. From here, go down to where it says Notifications. And once you're in the notifications section here, you will see the second option that will say Show Phone Notifications on Watch. You'll tap on that one time, and this is going to allow you to show them when the phone is not in use, or you can show alerts even when phone in use. So you can choose from one of these here, and basically what it does is when the phone screen is off or locked, like you're not using your phone, the notifications will be sent to your watch if you're wearing it at the moment. So it's a pretty useful feature. If you don't want to keep going back and forth on your phone to see the notifications, you can turn that on. Like and sub.